Nasta yung Sagada. Ang labo naman ng camera ko. Bad trip. Until...
Kuya, ingat po. Mamaya na lang po.
See you po.
Oo, parking to eh. Wala yan, for sure. Oo, pasok lang.
Hi guys.
안녕하세요.
Wala eh. Lumagan ng camera next time.
Ano order niyo po para masabi ko na? Pili ka muna ano. Sir Coach po.
Video mo ako. Upo ka lang.
Yan.
Kung pwede.
Oo, basta masulit natin.
Pahirap na lang po ng mga video nyo.
Oo nga eh. Kayo God na kayo mangunguha rin ako. Ay, baliktad. Nakakahilo siya ta. Sorry na. Let's...
Ayan, dito po.
Uy, ba't ganun? Ay, Zane, mag-hi ka.
Huwag ka pa. Para picture po tayo.
Oh, ito na.
Po kami.
Sa Sea of Clouds. Tapos, ay nasa...
Guman, nakada mo na sa buhay.
Wait, tingnan natin, Zane. Asa ba itag? This is the itag, Canton.
Yan.
Isala. Hindi, it's a mushroom eh. Ito.
Yan, yung mga ganito.
Ay, tignan nyo to. Smoky. Hap.
Challenging ah.
Oh.
Challenging.
Kutsara talaga binigay yun. Sorry.
Wala, sorry na.
Wait lang po.
Go! Share kami ng food, syempre.
Ito, pancake.
Sige po.
Oy, tikman nyo to. Hindi pwede, hindi. Kailangan natin
Kain
kumuha
po.
ng tinidor. Ayun, may tinidor pala kayo. Tara.
Guno kayo dyan.
Hoy, bumalik ka dito, Zane.
Mushroom.
Tingnan ko lang muna yung
This is the itag and then the mushroom.
Wait.
Kim po. Napanood niyo ba yung banana? Oo, napanood ko na yun. Ang ganda na yung ano.
Pa-check mo lang.
Mm-mm-mm.
Sarado ko pa.
Yung sumasayaw-sayaw pag
Ah.
Bakit sugo?
Ako na. Kakain muna kami.
You want that? Oh, picture ko kayo na. You want that? Okay lang. Hindi ko alam eh. Ito na hair ko. Parang okay pa talaga ito. Parang pag nakagano. Ay, ikaw muna ito.
Akala ko naman time-lapse ka dito.
Picture po.
Picture.
Saan ka, Zane? Dito?
Dito.
Ah, sige. Go.
The Tok experience in Sagada. Ang lamig. Oo nga, ang galing ng mata mo. Zane. Pag lalaki, iba rin yung observation na ano yun, no? Grabe, ang ganda. Zane, ang ganda ng camera ko pag full yung light. No? Kahit video. Oh. Pero pag ano, ang pangit. Eh, ay, may ganon. Sige. Saan makikita yon? Welcome to Peticons. Morning po.
Early morning. Make the time. Early morning. Start the
Sampu ano para 350 ang sushi. Pwede rin itong pangkong. Baka bukas eh. Ay. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ayan. Swine. Blueberry. Wait, kumuha na ako actually. Dito tayo. Dami natin binili. Magko-compute na. Kanina to. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Ay, nasa na yung binili ko?
What?
Sagada kung saan ay sinigaw ang ikaw.
Tigil ang kalokohan.
Nasa Sagada Battery, bilis na!
Tara na, tara na.
Ito po? Para po group po tayo. Habang wala pa.
300 ang lemon.
67 75 each.
Good morning and welcome to Sagada Pottery. Ako si Sigrid, isang manggagawa dito. This workshop was set up in 2000 by Archie Stapleton. He is a son of a missionary who grew up here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood para sa community. Pottery has three kinds. There's earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is low-fat. It's usually made for flower pots. It's more porous compared to stoneware and porcelain, which are high-fat pottery. Ang specialization namin stoneware, we fire at 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the clay, test it at that temperature. Pag okay siya, we get it in bulk, soak it in water, sasalain until it goes through 40 mesh. Pag lumabas po doon very watery, we have to drip dry. For 3 to 4 months, we age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Hindi pupulutin doon at pwede na dito. Kailangang itest natin proseso kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay. Hindi po lahat ng clay ay pwede. Now, this is the demo. First, I have to center the clay. In order to center, you need the speed of the wheel and the pressure from the hands. Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually po.
Hello, ang galing-galing.
I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands, to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is a very basic shape from here. You can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. At this point, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down. Then outwards to the top to make a flower bud.
Ganda.
Pwede pang in-narrow down dito to enhance the shape. If needed, it makes it a little bit sexier.
I want sexy.
Sige, paikot na natin dito. Wow!
Paikot ka naman dito.
Sample.
Sample.
Pwedeng maging pichel, paglagyan ng nguso na ganyan.
Wow!
Ayun na po yung after that. So, like,
Gawin na po
I let it dry
namin.
for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, do anything that will enhance
So
it.
nice.
Then we dry it for 1 month. Air dry lang po. Ilagay sa oven for 10 hours of firing. Wait for it to cool down. Ilabas po namin. Na-applyan na siya ng glaze. Ang glaze yung nagbibigay kulay at nagpapakintab pero hindi lalabas sa pan-application like paint. Kailangan iluto ulit ng another 10 hours of glaze firing para po ma-finish siya. That's why they're safe for food containers. They're microwavable and the color doesn't
I
fade.
like it naman.
Anyone for a hands up?
Aka na, mom.
Forward your chair.
Aka na. Sige. Aka na po.
Wet your hands. Wet your hands, both. Now make a hole in the middle. Press 2 thumbs. Gently. Huwag mong italsik sa kanila. 2 thumbs in the middle. 2 thumbs. Diinan mo sa gitna. Dahan-dahan ang pagdiin. Diinan mo pa. Sige, diinan mo pa. Gently and slowly. Ibuka mo. Dahan-dahan ibuka. Dahan-dahan ibuka. Ang kamay, hindi yung paa. Release your hands. Release your hands again. Oh buka si ma'am. 4 fingers. Lasong pakinggan pag Tagalog mo. English na lang. 4 fingers together. Inside. Relax. Feel the clay. The turn of the wheel. Slide up. Until the tip off. 1 more time. Relax. In Tagalog, hipuin mo pakyat para humaba. Sige. Until the tip. O yun, magaling magpahaba at magbuka.
Galing nga na.
Pro yan eh, pro.
Pro. The basic shape, the beginner shape is a bowl. To make a bowl, ipuput ng left. Straighten, keep your thumb, push to this part, not with your fingertips. Relax your right hand. Hindi pa lakasan ng kamay to. Gentle and slow. Look here. Push. Slide up. Not the fingertips, the wall of your fingers. Huwag mong ipafold na ganun, ma'am. Wall of your fingers. Until the tip. Hold it right there. Hold to balance. And then release. Very gentle and slow. Wet your hands. Isa pa on your own. Hold. Stabilize your touch. Gawin mo yung ginawa natin. Hold. Stabilize your touch. Push. And slide up. Slide up. Slowly, slowly slide up. Okay, huwag mo bilis umakyat. Hold it at the top to balance. Very good. Release your hands slowly. Wet your hands. Do it one more time. Ang pag-release, hindi paakyat. Pa-outwards. Go. Hold. Stabilize your touch. Push. Not the fingertips. Yung palad. Push. Push muna. Push muna bago akyat. Push towards here. Slide up. 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 Not the fingertips, please. Up, 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 up. Akyat, akyat. Hold it there. Not the fingertips. Yan. Release your
Pang ramen na yan.
Wow, ramen. Ang galing, ang saya.
Yan na po ang kaya ng clay. Manipis na po siya. So, flat hands, photo with your masterpiece.
Wala pa nang nakuha.
Flat hands, dalawa. Flat hands, ma'am. Flat hands. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan.
I want ice cream. Bili tayong ice cream. Magkano po dyan?
50 po plus 70.
50 lang po.
What are the flavors?
It's avocado. Ay, may strawberry. Okay, dalawa pala.
Avocado lang po sa inyo, di ba?
Diyan na po kayo bumili lahat. Sa kanya na po. Baka nagtataling po kayo ha. Baka na po.